So this is the charts looking at the statistical difference between height. Again, you can see the number of stars indicates different notations. And all of those are, again, being compared with the test that I had mentioned earlier. And you can see the stars all along this research. PBAT had a lot, TPS, PHA had quite a couple. And we start to see a pattern, especially in the TPS. Is this right? Okay. For the diameter, there wasn't really much to note for this research, actually. And similarly with the dry weight, there wasn't any recognizable pattern that was important to the research and comparably to the control. We also did the water loss evaluation. There were some differences with the control. And we compared these through the normalization of stages. Hold on one second. In the V2 stage of the plants, and so then once it reached that V2 stage, we measured by the hour. And then over the course of 7 hours and much longer. After 7 hours, we measured it in intervals, and then you can see that research as it goes on. Now, that dry weight relating to normalization on this chart is where you can see it compared to our control. Similarly with the water loss evaluation, reaching that V4 stage. Not a lot of statistical differences there. We were only measuring for up to 7 hours during this. There wasn't much of a point of measuring past that 7 hour point. And again, with dry weight, there wasn't much of a difference.